Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T and today I would like to show you how you can use App Locker on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose Utilities. Then click App Locker. Pick one of the options or enter your current login method. I will go with pattern, so I have to draw it, click Next, draw it again and confirm it. Now pick one of the options and click Done. Over here, click Add Apps and pick apps that you want to lock. I will go with Chrome, Camera and Calendar. So now when I go back and try to access, for example, Chrome, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!